Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a T15 torque screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of pliers. These will be essential for disassembling your Dyson SV12. Start by unplugging the vacuum cleaner and removing the dust container. This will give you better access to the motor compartment. Next, locate the screws on the back of the vacuum. Using your T15 torque screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and set them aside in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, gently pull apart the casing. Be cautious, as there may be clips holding the casing together. If you encounter resistance, use your flathead screwdriver to gently pry it open. With the casing removed, you will now see the motor. Before proceeding, take a moment to clean any dust or debris from the area. This will help ensure a smooth installation of the new motor. If you find this task daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which can save you time and effort. Next, disconnect the motor from the wiring harness. Carefully pull the connectors apart, ensuring you do not damage any wires. Once disconnected, you will find additional screws securing the motor in place. Use your T15 torque screwdriver again to remove these screws. After the screws are removed, gently lift the motor out of its housing. Take a moment to compare the old motor with the new one to ensure they match. If you need assistance, we provide collection and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get the right parts without any hassle. Now, it's time to install the new motor. Place it into the housing and secure it with the screws you previously removed. Ensure it is firmly in place before reconnecting the wiring harness. Make sure the connectors are securely attached to avoid any electrical issues. Once everything is connected, it's time to reassemble the casing. Align it carefully and press it back into place, ensuring all clips are secured. Replace the screws on the back of the vacuum to hold the casing in position. Remember, no calls, no travel. You can do this from the comfort of your home. Finally, reattach the dust container and plug in your Dyson SV12. Turn it on to test the new motor. If it runs smoothly, congratulations, you've successfully replaced the motor. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair, ensuring you have all the options available to you. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.